Unboxing and video is from the shop of Miss Morningstar Jewelry. Pang second time ko nang umorder sa kanyang shop. First order is I made panther bracelet. So now I order this teardrop necklace. It is very trending now for the fashion style jewelry. So I get one for myself. So, ito yung box niya. Wow, ang ganda talaga ng box niya. Surprise! Talagang very effort na effort si Miss Morningstar. Kapag mag-unboxing ako, gustong-gusto ko talaga yung box niya. So, wow! I have this Paper Dragon Lucky Charm for wallet. So, thank you, Miss Morningstar. I really like it a lot. Thank you very much. And, ito yung pagkaka-packaging na. Ang nice. I love it. So, ito siya. And then, itong box is naka-tape. So, hindi siya kumakalog-kalog. So, yan. I love it talaga. So, teardrop foxtail chain. So, guys, order na kayo sa shop niya. Her price of gold is very reasonable. Kapag nag-discount talaga is sagad na sagad. Yes. So, ayan siya. And this is 18 inches. 18 or 20. Kaya parang medyo mahaba. So, I'm excited to wear na. So, it will become my favorite necklace again. Wow! So, it is kind of 18 inches. Yan. Medyo may buhok ako dito kasi pinutulan ko yung bangs ko ng konti. Pumupunta na kasi sa mata ko yung bangs. So, yan. Nagputol ako ng buhok ng bangs ko. So, yan. Oh, very love it. Nakasunod din naman ako sa trending fashion style ng latest jewelry design. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing.